Hey YouTube, what's happening? It's Richard, founder of Short-Term Rental University and Airbnb Superhost. Today's video is the importance of your title shot, and you won't believe how important it is. So what exactly do I mean? I mean the first impression of your listing, whether it's on Airbnb or VRBO. The photo that you elect to show first and the title is so critically important. In fact, when I was speaking with Ian McHenry, who's the founder of Beyond Pricing, he was really great. He did this expert series for our paid members. He gave us an example which I couldn't believe, and it's worth repeating here. Would you ever, under any circumstances, believe that his Beyond Pricing tool would price a garden view place on Maui higher? It commands more money than an ocean view listing in the exact same building. Like, does that make any sense? Ocean view lower, garden view higher? It makes no sense at all. So we started to dig into it, and let's go. The reason was that the owners of the mountain villa had done a much better job describing their place for first interest, right? The title shot and the title itself gained a lot of attention, and so a lot of bookings, and they were able to increase their price. And the people with the ocean view, which is much more valuable, costs more money to rent, costs more money to own, has much more broad appeal, their mediocre listing and photo just didn't grab people's attention, and so consequently they had manually lowered the price to get bookings. And so when he took a look at the Beyond Pricing dynamic changes with the property manager, they said, wait a minute, this doesn't make any sense. And they started looking into the listing. The big data, the numbers behind everything, pointed out an inconsistency that they then spent some time drilling down on. And what they found, again, was that the listing with the garden view had a great photo and a great caption, got a lot of interest and a lot of attention, a lot of clicks and a lot of conversions, and through manual processing, they were able to increase their price over time. Conversely, the owners of the oceanfront, they just put together a photo of like the kitchen with a so-so title, and relative to all of the listings on that same Airbnb page, it just wasn't getting the clicks, and so consequently they manually lowered the price until they started to get some action. And so the point of all this is you could have a less desirable location or property and a better marketing approach and actually outperform a superior location or a superior unit, because we're teaching you exactly what it is that you need to do and how to do it. So take a look at your listing, take a look at your title, take a look at your first photo. Are you capturing exactly what people looking for that location, that property, that view, that whatever brought you to your place? Do you capture it instantly? And if you don't, let's fix it. So look, this same lesson applies in all walks of life. Putting your best foot forward, your first impression makes a huge difference. In fact, we've researched and studied, and Charles has done most of it, but the thumbnails that we select for our YouTube videos have a huge impact on whether people actually watch the video. So the message of the video is the exact same, but if we don't put the right thumbnail and the right title, we can have very few hits and viewings, or we can have really successful videos with great messages just based on the thumbnail that Charles suggests and the title. So we encourage you to take a close look at yours, take a close look at your competitors. Maybe you're finding that people are coming to your area for the beach. That's sort of a no-brainer, so highlight that. But maybe some of your competitors are having a great time highlighting some cultural things, a museum or a national park or something that's outside of your listing. And think about it. Spend the time and energy. I hope you found this interesting. If you're interested in trying the Beyond Pricing tool, I highly recommend it. We'll include the link below. And in the meantime, please go ahead and like this video. I appreciate that very much. And if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, now!